Okay, guys, we are on page 28 of the Science Student Book. We are going to study plants and animals. Remember that I sent you another video about habitats. Now we're going to talk about habitats and the animals that live in those habitats. In exercise 1, it says look and label the habitats, then number the animals and plants to match. So we have a word bank here that has the words ocean, wetland, forest, and desert. Okay, so we're going to write the names of these habitats right here on these lines. So number 1, as you can see, what do you think about this one? There are trees and there are a lot of plants. Yes, it is a forest. So we are going to write the word forest. That is number 1. In number 2, see, this is water, these are corals, and these are fish. What do you think? Yes, it is the ocean. So we're going to write the word ocean. Good job. Now, number 3, I know you're all familiar with this one. This is sand, but there is no water. What do you think? Yes, it is a desert. Now we're going to write the word desert. Good job. And number 4, this is a habitat that is land partially covered with water. The name is wetland. Good job. This is a wetland. Okay, and let me see. On exercise number 1, we had to write these words, and then we're going to match these habitats with the animals and plants that live there. For example, an alligator. Where do you think that an alligator lives? In the forest? In an ocean? In a desert? Or in a wetland? I know you're thinking in a wetland. Good job. Now, a deer. Where can you find a deer? In a forest, in an ocean, or in a desert? Yes, of course, in a forest. That's the habitat of a deer. The cactus? Where can we find cactus? Yes, in a desert. Good job. Let me see if I can write number 3. Okay, and the corals, of course, you can find them in the ocean. So we're going to write number 2. Oh God, I hope your numbers are better than mine. Okay, in exercise number 2, it says, with a partner, think of 3 words that describe each habitat. Well, we can do it by ourselves. For example, forest. Well, I think the forest is described like a place with a lot of trees. The ocean, well, a place that is covered completely with water and you can find fish. Desert, well, a place with no water or very little water and a lot of sand and very hot. And the wetland, as I told you before, it is a land that is partially covered with water. Now, in exercise number 3, it says, what do all animals and plants need? Okay, let's talk about the needs of animals and plants. Remember that we were talking last year about living and non-living things. Well, living things, we all need air, food, space. Those are like, and water. Those are like basic needs. And plants, they need that too. Remember that plants, they create their own food. Okay, guys, this is page 28. Good job.